Welcome to CMHC Online. Here at the Chicago School of Professional Psychology, we value innovation and collaboration. These values will be evident in all of your courses and even outside of your courses. While currently not accredited by the Council for Accreditation of Counseling and Related Education Programs, our program utilizes these standards as our foundation, as well as the TCS Learning Outcomes, the American Counseling Association Code of Ethics, and the Multicultural Social Justice Counseling Competencies. Many of these standards recognize the importance of training future professional counselors how to competently and ethically utilize technology. There are several ways we've embedded technology into your program. First, as you already know, we'll be using Canvas to access your course materials. But did you know that you'll have access to an expansive array of technology within these courses as well? Your orientation to the program and profession began with your welcome letter you received in your email and your first video conference with your faculty advisor. We also included links to our advising forum, which has access to many of the resources, including our orientation Prezi and past newsletters. In your courses, you'll find professor introductions, recorded lectures, multimedia resources for each unit. We also incorporate technology that allows you to collaborate with peers in study groups and on group projects. We'll also have access to faculty examples of techniques and assignments. To assist with skills development, we have at least 2 live discussions per course, skills practice sessions every month, and provide faculty demos. Most of our evaluation tools are technologically based as well. We use a system called TK20 to track student progress on knowledge, skills, and professional dispositions. Several faculty members also screencast their feedback on assignments so that you can see and hear the faculty members' feedback. In every course, we have a multitude of external resources to enhance your learning experience as well, including ACA webinars, podcasts, TED Talks, Quizlet, Khan Academy, and Mind Garden, an online assessment library. Here, let's look at some specific examples. Your orientation to the program and profession will start in the CMHC Advising Forum, which you will want to visit at least twice a week while you're enrolled in the program. Here you can find book lists, past newsletters, contact information, and a recorded orientation session, as well as several other recordings to help facilitate your introduction to the program. We will provide all of the course syllabi and pre-course modules to help you start your courses early as well. Be sure to check out the orientation session sooner than later, as you will need this in the first course because you start the course off with a little quiz on the information in the orientation session. In your courses, you will see technology embedded in your assignments. For example, in your research course, you'll create a program evaluation project with a peer and will have to create a Prezi to share with your other peers for peer review. Prezis are a great skill to master for future positions and can really differentiate you from others that are applying for the same positions. As I mentioned earlier, we use an online evaluation management system to track student progress and to engage in ongoing program evaluation. Here's an excerpt of our knowledge competency rubric in TK20. And here's the dispositions and skills competency, at least the first page of it. Another webinar will be provided in your first course that will explain the competency evaluation process in full. Here are some of the external tools we use. First, we use Quizlet to help you prepare for the National Counselor Exam, a multiple choice exam that most states require for licensure. Beginning in fall 2016, all of our courses will have a link to Quizlet study sets to help everyone prepare for the exam. Next, we use Khan Academy in our assessment and research courses to assist with statistical concept mastery. And last but not least, we tap into a wealth of information available on the ACA, American Counseling Association website, which all of our students are part of, including we look and we utilize practice briefs, we utilize their webinars, podcasts, so many resources on the website. We also have several exciting projects in development, including our clinical training forum, which is a Canvas shell full of information regarding fieldwork. We're also very excited about the anticipated launch of our virtual clinical training center pilot in January 2017 in collaboration with Saybrook University. We will most likely utilize Tau Connect as our virtual portal. The VCTC will cross domains, psychology, counseling, and ABA eventually. But right now, we hope to provide counseling students with an opportunity to work with underserved populations through partnerships with nonprofit agencies such as the North Carolina Free Clinic. Student counselors will provide much needed mental health counseling services under the supervision of a site supervisor and faculty supervisor licensed in the state of service. I hope this has provided you with a solid overview of the technology you'll be using during our program. Welcome again to CMHC Online. At CMHC Online, we pride ourselves in having the convenience of an online program while providing the community expected in an on-ground program.